borrowing. Now borrowing, the moment I say borrowing, the first thing that comes into our mind is taking money from someone. That's right. But when you take money from someone, you also have to return it. Alright? So borrowing is done when you have the will to return it back. If you don't have that, then it's not borrowing, it's just taking money and keeping it. Alright? We will quickly see the meaning of borrowing in detail, followed up by from which all sources can we have money. I can borrow money from a friend, I can borrow money from a relative, I can borrow money from the government, I can borrow money from the bank. There are various places from where I can borrow money. So let's quickly see what is the meaning of borrowing and from which all places or which all sources we can borrow money. Alright? Can you please have the slide? Very good. That's it. So, when you see there are so much of things written, right? Let's quickly see what is this. Generally, it is an act of taking something. When I say something, it's usually money because we are talking about finance. So, it's usually money that we take up and it should be with the intention to return, as I mentioned earlier. Now, it is obtaining financial assistance to cover various purposes. Purpose could be for education. We take money, we borrow money from banks for the purpose of loans, education loans. If I want to go abroad, if I want to pursue some higher education, I need money. I don't have enough money that is required. We can take that money from banks in the form of educational loans. We can also have money that is borrowed in the form of other loans. Now these other loans could be for various small purposes. We are aware that we take loan to purchase a house, right? That is what we call as home loan, correct? So loans are taken for various purposes and it can be collected from various sources, right?